Yeah. Hi, this is Dinesh Kumar, and you are listening Oracle demo session. In the demo session, finally, what you will get from my side, you will understand what is Oracle, why is Oracle, and why are you learning Oracle, and what is the latest version of Oracle. This part you can understand today. Let me start our demo session. What is Oracle? Oracle is an RDBMS, Relational Database Management System. Why is Oracle? Oracle is used to manage your business data. How to store, how to manage. Say, suppose, let me take some example. See here. Here, I want to know some mobile information. I want to know about some mobile information. So can I get mobile information in online? Yes. Who am I? I am a user or client. Okay. I can get information from a business. I can get information from a business. How to get? Open the business web page. Let me consider Amazon shopping website. www.amazon.in. Type your business address and hit enter. Then you can see, means I can see the interface page. I want to know about this Moto G6 Plus. Let me find out. I want to know about some Moto G6 Plus. It's a product available under business. If I hit or if I select the mobile, it will display information about mobile. Here you can see information about mobile. And I want to see the complete information of the mobile. Is this is the complete information. Okay. So what as a customer, what I am doing, just I am selecting some icons in the web page so that I am able to see some information in the web page. From where I am getting this information? It's a web page. So web page was launched in my system. Web page was launched through browser. Okay. In my system, I don't have about Moto G6 Plus mobile. I am in home. Just I am interacting with web page. Then how the information is fetched, how the information is showing on the web page. Say between me and the web page, me and I'm interacting with web page, and beyond web page something is there. From that place we are taking data, or the data information is displayed on the web page from a place that is beyond the web page. So that place is called as a database. The place is called as a database. Who is maintaining that database? By using any RDBMS, you can maintain the data of the business. Where is the database? Beyond web page. So we can represent this process in a diagram as follows. Diagram as I am interacting with web page, or I am a customer. So I am communicating with web page. So what is the web page here I am typing? Here I am using www.amazon.in. Amazon.in. It's more interesting. Okay, just I am interacting with web page. From the web page, I am communicating with, see, in the web page, just I am selecting some information. And here it is, the request is processed in the backend database server. See here, from the web page, the data is sent to web server. Remember, from the web page, the data is sent to web server. From web server, the data is, or the request is sent to database server. So the request will be sent to database server. This is the database server. What is there under database? The data available here. Will be sent to web server. From web server, again, data is going back to web page. Hope you understand. Just think about a business. If there is no database in the backend, what will happen? Just think about a business is there, Amazon. Amazon is having web interface, fine. But in the backend, there is no database. Think about the business. You will never get any information in the web page. And you will never manage your information in online. So that's why database is mandatory. Without a database, there is no business. So user interacting with web page, from the web page request send to web server, from web server the request is sending to database server. From database server, the data is coming back to this is getting information. Okay, fine. Suppose I want to register with Amazon. So how to register? I should enter username. I should enter mobile number, and also I should enter mail ID. And finally, I have to hit on register button. Let us see. First, it is asking about username, password. Let me type something here. So what is the username? And the next one is I have to think about password. And then mobile number. I want to register with business. Okay. After mobile number, here I should hit on register. So here I have to type username, and I have to type password, and I should type mobile number. At last I have to hit on register. So my information passed to web server, and from web server the information passed to database server. In the database server, somebody is receiving my information. Finally, I will get a reply like registered successfully. Hope you understand what I am explaining here. So you are getting the data like this. In the same way, the information is you are getting back. This is the process. Okay, let me minimize here. What is Oracle? Oracle is an RDBMS. What is the use of RDBMS? We can store business data at one place and we can process our business data by using any RDBMS. What are the examples of RDBMS? Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, Ingress, MySQL, Sybase, NoSQL. All these things are called as database RDBMS examples. Okay, let me take. I have a database. Yes. What is the use of database? So majorly three reasons why I am maintaining database. See, database purpose, three uses of database. What is that? We can enter data into the database. We can enter data into the database. Similarly, we can data by using database. What is the three major uses of database? Remember, we can enter data into database. So, okay, let me take it as like this. Entering means like this. This is entering. And you can select data. From database, we are selecting data. We can manage data means old values will be replaced with new values. Okay, this is called as management. Just see the arrow marks. Automatically you can understand. Entering data means from outside data will be sent to database server. From inside, how can I get data? Select. Inside some data is there. I want to replace old data with new data. That is called as managing the data. Okay. The major purpose of database server is okay. Officially, we can say like this: store data into database. You should ask this question at the end of the demo, not at the beginning of the demo. Mr. Ram Rathod. Okay, and then see, and after that, select fetch data from database. How to store data, how to access data, how to manage data. These are the three uses of database server. What are the three uses? How to store data. And second one, how to access data. And third one, how to manage data. You can take any database, any RDBMS is used for these three reasons. Okay, that's fine. Where is the data? Tell me, where is the data? If I have the data, I can store the data. If I store the data, after some time, I can access data. Okay, and if I store the data, after some time, I can manage my data. So first of all, you need to store your business data at one place. Where is the data? The data generated from business. Remember, the data always generated from business. Without business, the data never generated. The data generated from business. Okay, let me save this. I will show you how the data will be generated. Now see, where is the data? Now we are discussing about data. Where is the data? Remember, for this question, we are discussing about this diagram. Data is generated from business. Let me consider any business. If I consider business, what is business first? Business is a collection of objects. Business is a collection of objects and transactions. So what are the objects in the business? See, if you want to start a business, you have to estimate or you need some basic entities. Some basic entities. If you want to start a business, you need manpower. You need manpower. Next one, the employees in the form of departments. Employees are organized in the form of departments. And remember, why are you starting business? You are selling products or manufacturing products, or you are providing service to the customers. To whom you are giving these products? The products are finally sold to customers. The products are finally sold to customers. Remember. Okay. So what is a business? Business is a collection of objects. How to define a business? Business is a collection of objects and activities. What are the objects to start a business? To start a business, we need employees. Employees are organized into departments. Okay, and the business was started either to manufacture products or to sell products or to provide service. Provide service. And the products are sold to whom? Some people. Those people are called as customers. So these are called as business objects. These are known as business objects. These are known as business objects. Remember, and these are also called as business entities. From each object, the data will be generated. So the above they are known as the above components are known as objects or business objects or entities. From each entity or from each object, data will be generated. From each object, data will be generated. Remember, immediately the people are having a doubt. Sir, what is the data related to department? Department ID, department name, address of department. What is the data of employee? Employee ID. Suppose you are working in a company. The company has to maintain your information. What is the information they will maintain? Your ID, name, salary, designation, join date, status of employee, working under which department, working under which project. All this information related to you, the business people are maintaining. So from each object, the data will be generated. That information is to be saved under database. The information is to be saved under database. Okay, so listen, where is the information means? The information generated from employees, departments, products, as well as customers. This information is to be saved under database. So if you save the information at a database, at any time you can access the employee data. At any time you can access department data, product data, customer data. Hope you understand up to here. So what I completed means, what is a database? Already I told you. What is the use of database? Store data, access data, manage data. Okay, where is the data? Data is from business. What is business? Business is a collection of objects. From each object you will get this data. That data we can store under database. Simply we can say database. So one of the database is Oracle. One of the database is Oracle. We have so many databases. The most famous and most highest market database is Oracle in the world. So, okay, so let me explain here. So hope you understand what is a business. Business is a collection of objects, and from each object we have data. That data is saved under database. Before that, I am explaining about what is data, database concepts. So it's very, very simple. Just we are talking about RDBMS. In RDBMS, what is RDBMS? Relational Database Management System. Relational Database Management System. See, we are talking about each and every character here. What is data? What is database? And what is DBMS? And finally, what is RDBMS? Total 4 points. Again, I'm repeating. What is data? First one. Next, what is database? Second. Third one, what is DBMS? Database Management System. And last one, what is RDBMS? 4 points totally I am explaining right now. What is data? Let us see. From each object, the data is generated. Okay, data related to one employee. Remember, information related to one employee is called as data. It's a raw data. Only it is related to one object. It is not related to other object. So information related to one object is called as data. So like any one employee information, any one product information, any one sales transaction information, or any one debit transaction, any one credit transaction, any transaction information. So one line of information is called as data. So business is a collection of employees, collection of products, collection of transactions. Okay, it's not a single entity. Business means a group of entities. Group of entities. Okay, so the information of all entities or objects within the business. Again, the information of all objects or entities within the business saved at one place. The information of all objects saved at one place, it is called as a database. which is known as a database. And now 2 questions are completed. Now, database management system, what it is? DBMS. Very good. See, yes, we have employee data. Let me consider employee data. We have employee data. Okay. After some time, I need more manpower. As a business person, I want to manage my business with more employees. Then I will go for recruiting new employees. If any new employee recruited into my company, that new employee information entered into the database. Suppose one employee not interested in my business, or one customer not interested in my business, at any time they can left. Means a customer gone from the business, an employee gone from the business, means the corresponding object information deleted from database. If an employee recruited, new information inserted into database. If a customer left, old information deleted from database. See, one customer changed his mobile number and mail ID. One customer changed his mobile number and mail ID. He can make the changes in his profile in online. Means already old customer, just he is making some changes in his old information. So first one, new information inserted into database. Second one, old information can be deleted from database. Third one, old information also to be managed in database. And parallelly, without authentication, nobody can interact with the business. Means, just let me make an example. Here in your web page, if I go to home page, you can see sign in. What is the meaning of sign in? If I hit sign in, then it is asking about mobile number or mail ID. And here we have to submit password. We should submit password here. Okay, so then with username and password, already Dinesh is authenticated with Amazon. With Dinesh username and password, Dinesh is the client is authenticated in the business. Only authenticated people can make transactions with the business. Unauthorized persons cannot make any transactions with the business. Simple example, if you have a bank account in online, are you able to access your account details? Yes. At what time? If you have username and password to access your details. If you don't have username and password, you cannot do that. Next one. Next one is authentication is okay. Last one, security. You are the customer in a business. I am the customer in a business. Can I access your details? I cannot. Can you access my details? You cannot. What is meant by that? It's known as a security. This is called as a security. Each and every customer data should be secure. So 5 points I touched. New information inserted into database. We are talking about DBMS. We know what is database. All information at one place is called as a database. And what is DBMS management system? A DBMS, a database with management system services. It is called as a DBMS. It can enter new data. We can delete old data. change old data with new data, authenticating the user by using username and password, and maintaining security among user accounts. These five services are known as management system services. A database which is providing these services is called as a DBMS. And last one, RDBMS, Relational Database Management System. Relational Database Management System. What is RDBMS? So for this, we need another diagram. Okay, before that, just let me explain one point. Employees, departments. Any employee in the company should work under any one department. Any department in the company should contain at least one employee. If there is an employee, he should working under a department. If there is a department, the department must contain some employees. So employees and departments are related objects, related entities or related objects. Let me open a new blank paint. See, employee. Here I want to maintain employee data. Generally, in any RDBMS, we are talking about RDBMS. Remember, what is RDBMS? Relational Database Management System. In any RDBMS, data is saved in the form of tables. Data is saved in the form of tables. Employee data we are saving under EMPS 111. What is employee name? Let me take salary. And what is the salary? 23,222. So let me take Siva. Salary 32,000 and 333. So here Kaushik, and here 45,000 and 444. Here John, his salary is 30,000 and 555. Just let me take 5 records, that's all. 555. And here Ras, his salary is 23,000 again. This is information of employees. Employee data maintained under one table. In any RDBMS, data or information is saved in the form of tables. Okay, here we have another table. In the database, we have another object. The first object is employees, and I am going to discuss about the second object, departments. Department ID, department name, department city, and here department 1, department name production, and department city Delhi. Department 2, sales department, and it's throughout India. And department 3, here finance department, and it is located at HYD. This is department's information. Department's information. So employee data saved under EMPS, department data saved under DEPTS. Hope you understand. Right. I have some questions. What is the concept we are discussing here? What is the last definition we are discussing here? What is RDBMS? Relational Database Management System. I want to discuss about importance of relation. Without relation, what is the problem? With relation, what is the advantage? That is what I am going to discuss here. See, try to find out my answers. You are saying 3 departments. Tell me, how many number of employees? How many number of employees under production? We don't know. What are the names of employees under sales? We don't know. What is the highest salary under production department? What is the highest salary under production department? We don't know. Okay. Let me take another examples. Come to EMP table. These are employees. Under which department this employee is working? Under which department this employee is working? Don't know. What is the working location of 555? What is the working location of 555? We don't know. What is the department name of Kaushik? We don't know. So we are missing information. You are missing information. From department table, we are unable to get employee information. But department is having employees. From employee table, we are unable to get department information. But each employee should work under some department. So we are missing information. I don't want to miss any information. I want to give complete and accurate data to the client. How can I? You can do it by maintaining relation. You can do it by maintaining relation between the tables. From department table, we are going to implement some link to the employee table. So here is the link. So not this one. Hold on. Let me take a small link. Just I want to implement a new link. How to provide the link? Yes, I will explain. Just see. This link is implemented. Link means relation. Relation is implemented by using primary key of a table. We can implement foreign key. By using primary key of a table, we can implement foreign key. Here I am implementing foreign key. Implementing some foreign key. Here I want to maintain some details. What are the details? Department ID. Department 1, Department 1, Department 2, Department 3, last one Department 2. So this is called as a foreign key column. What is the name of this column? Foreign key. What is foreign key? What is primary key? You can understand later. And here also it is called as primary key column. Foreign key means it's a column. Primary key means it's a column. Nothing is there. Primary key, no duplicates, no blank values. Foreign key, duplicates and also blanks accepted, and each value, whatever the value presented, each value should be taken from primary key. If there is a value in the foreign key, that should be from primary key. See there, foreign key, any value that is not from primary key column, no value. Hope you understand. Now, relation implemented. What should we completed? Relation implemented or relation defined. If you define relation, what is the advantage? Now we can fetch complete and accurate data. Before relation, we are unable to fetch. After relation, we can fetch complete and accurate data. Simple example. All of you see carefully. All of you see carefully. How many employees under sales? What is D2? How many employees are there? 2 employees. Able to see? Understand all of you? Okay. What is the highest salary under production? What is the highest salary under production? See, production, under production, see how many employees are there? 2 employees. From these 2 employees, who is getting highest salary? 32,000. He is getting highest salary. He is getting highest salary. What is the name of finance employees? What is the name of finance employees? Finance employee, only one employee. His name is John. Under finance, there is only one employee. His name is John. Okay, so you can identify department information of employees, employees information of departments. So there is no question of missing any data from database. If you don't want to miss, we have to implement relation. We should implement relation between the tables so that information is easily identified. Information is easily identified. Remember this part. So compulsory within the business, we should maintain information with relation. How to implement? Okay, this is about our relational database management system. Okay, fine. Now, so I explained about what is, say, just hold on. What we completed, what is Oracle database? What is the use of database? Store data, access data, manage data. Where is the data? From business. From where data is generated? From business objects and transactions. Data generated successfully, we saved the data at one place. Then what are the database concepts? Data, database, database management system, and relational database management system. Advantage of RDBMS, we can easily identify related. We can, if there is no relation, we are unable to identify related data. Next, what are Oracle versions? That we are discussing. So how to maintain data means I am using Oracle database to maintain my business data. What are Oracle versions we have? come to here. Actually, Oracle company was started in 1977. At that time, the name of the company is Relational Software Incorporation. After 2 years, it was renamed as Oracle Corporation in 1979. In the same year, Oracle company released first version of Oracle database. In the same year, they released the first version of Oracle database. But the Oracle company is not getting success until 7 years. The company released the version Oracle 7. This is the first commercial database. This is the first successful commercial database in the world. Oracle 7. After that, they released Oracle 8. But both databases are called as standalone databases. What is a standalone? They are unable to maintain data in online. We don't have online business at that time in 1986 or 87 or 88. And after some time, they released Oracle 8i. I stands for Internet Application, means from Internet, now Oracle is ready to receive data. Through online, we can manage our business data. After that, they released Oracle 9i. And after Oracle 9i, we have Oracle 10G. G stands for grid technology. G stands for grid technology. Separately, they are maintaining a server, grid server. So to that server, all branch level database servers are connected. Through that server, they are maintaining data loading balance. Load balance they are maintaining. So if there is a heavy load from a branch, it can be managed by load balancer under grid. It's known as a grid technology. And sharing of data from one server to another server is as much as fast in Oracle 10G. After 10G, see, 10G means it's like a grid. Grid means each server is connected with other servers. And all these server points connected to a grid. That grid can monitor the load of each server. If there is any heavy load than required or than estimated, then grid is managing that server load. Next, Oracle 11G. It is also implemented based on grid technology. So 10G is also grid and 11G is also grid. Then what is the difference between 10G and 11G? 11G is having some additional tool, including grid technology. It is having a tool, specific tool. What is the tool? Oracle Warehouse Builder. Oracle Warehouse Builder. So generally, Oracle is used to implement OLTP database. But here, Warehouse Builder means it is used to develop or it is used to manage, maintain OLAP, Online Analytical Processing Database also. From Oracle 11G, you can use Oracle to maintain OLTP as well as to maintain OLAP. And the latest version is Oracle 12C. C stands for cloud computing. What is cloud computing? From Oracle 12C is implemented based on cloud technology. Why is cloud? Without cloud, what is the problem? That part we can see tomorrow. Understand? Tomorrow in the next session, I will explain about what is Oracle 11G, And also I can explain about what is the benefit of Oracle 12c. What are the drawbacks in 11G? How that drawbacks are eliminated by using 12c. That part we will see tomorrow. Okay. So apart from that, what is Oracle? RDBMS. Why is RDBMS? Store business data, access data, manage data. Examples of RDBMS: Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, Ingress, Sybase, MySQL, NoSQL, SQLite. All these things are called as RDBMS examples. And we completed what is a business, why is the business, how data generated, and what are database concepts. And in Oracle, if you want to become as a Oracle developer or database developer, what are the concepts we have to learn under Oracle? You should learn these concepts: SQL and PLSQL. Under Oracle, you have to learn about SQL and PLSQL. See, some customer registered. After some time, he is unable to log in. Yes, yes, Lakshman Rathod. This course including SQL and also PLSQL advanced, both. Yeah, let me finalize. See, in Oracle, in our training, you are learning SQL and PLSQL. What is SQL? Structured query language. You can write queries. You can write statements. Those are called as queries. Here, see, each statement will do one work, but I want to do some 10 works or 20 works one by one, one by one, one by one. Within a single interaction, you can do one work here. Within a single interaction, you can do multiple tasks by you writing programs. Query, single statement; program, collection of statements. This is basic and this is advanced. The concepts we are learning under SQL, these are the concepts. Commands, all commands we will discuss, all classes we will discuss. Objects, tables, clusters, indexes, views, these are all known as objects, sequences, synonyms. Concepts, constraints, joins, subqueries, functions and analytical functions. All these things are called as functions. And once we finish about SQL part, then we will discuss about PLSQL. PLSQL, or otherwise we can say like this: 25 days, 25 days. Total 60 days as the duration, including holidays I am talking about. After finishing SQL, we are discussing about PLSQL, procedural language using SQL. Under this, what we are going to discuss: programs, procedures, functions, triggers, packages, cursors, exceptions, control structures, conditional statements, loops, case. These are called as control structures. Collections means arrays. What is bulk collect? What is bulk bind? What is for all? What is execute immediate? All these things we will discuss under PLSQL. The total duration of the course, 50 days, 50. At max 60 days. Fee structure that you should contact online team. Please contact Durgasoft online team. Okay, hope you understand. And now, do you have any questions? Yeah, so why should you learn the Oracle course from Dinesh only? So what is the difference between other trainers and Dinesh? Each and every concept explained by Dinesh by considering as a business process. In real time, what is the business process? Accordingly, what is the concept that is useful in the database for the real time? That is the difference between other trainers and Dinesh. And parallelly, you
No.
will get interview questions. Yes, we are going to discuss from scratch to advanced. I think somebody is waiting to ask some question. Who is this? Sai Teja?
Sir, what is the difference between this one RDBMS as well as some applications will be there, no, sir? Like Oracle applications, Fusion, HCM, and
Ah,
Cloud. These are also comes under the Oracle only, right?
yeah. Those are
Oracle
products from,
mentioned.
yeah. Let me explain. Those are
Yeah. Okay.
products from Oracle company. They don't
Oh,
combine Oracle database and those applications. They are applications. This is a database. Oracle
okay.
Fusion, Oracle apps, and or something like a CRM, HRM. These are called as ERP modules,
Okay.
Enterprise Resource Planning modules. Okay,
Okay, sir.
yeah. Any other questions?
Nothing, sir.
Yeah. Reminding people, any other questions? Complete session is like this only. Don't fear about the training. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you have no questions for today. I will continue the session tomorrow. Tomorrow we are going to discuss about, yeah, you see every day, first 10 days. Remember all of you, every day session will be going on for 1 hour, 9 to 10, 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. IST every day, right? After, see, on Sundays there is no session. On Sundays there is no session. Okay, every day in the first 10 days, every day session is uploaded into YouTube. Every day session. Hold a moment. If you hold a moment, I will show you how to access videos from YouTube. Only first 10 days sessions you can access from YouTube freely. Go to YouTube homepage. Go to YouTube homepage. Under YouTube homepage, go to channels. Channels. Here, browse channels. I hope you are seeing this. Browse channels. And here, type Durga Soft. Durga Soft. Under Durga Soft, under Durga Soft, you should select Durga Software Solutions. Durga Software Solutions. And in this Durga Software Solutions, you can check playlist. These are called as playlists. So if you go for playlist, these are all playlists. So so many. See, Oracle 12C classes. 15 classes are available for the previous batch. From previous batch, I am talking about from previous batch. Previous online batch. Similarly, your batch videos also first 10 days or 15 days, every day session is available and uploaded into YouTube channel for the first 10 days. After 10 days, what is the process? After 10 days, 11th day onwards, I can store the video under my drive, Gmail drive. From that drive, I can share a link with you. You can play it or you can download it. That's up to you. Understand? First 10 days session videos directly, publicly, we are freely uploading into YouTube channel. From 11th day onwards, the video links will be shared to your mail IDs personally. And every day I will send whatever the document we discussed here. So today we completed this document. This document is also shared to you through the mail ID. I hope you understand what I am saying here. No, no notes. Notes means this is the notepad file. Notes in the sense you should go through my notepad file. That's all. There is no separate notes or dictation is there in the online. It's impossible to dictate the notes in online. Yeah. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we are going to discuss about what is 11G. Yeah. How much means, please contact, I think, Olga Ivanchenko. So please contact Durgasoft online team. Yes, soft copy you will get. Every day you will get video link, and also I will support you how to install the database. So tomorrow we are going to discuss about what is 11G and what are the benefits of 12C. It's a very, very important. Don't miss the session tomorrow. After that, we will enter into, I don't know that. Durga sir also takes this course. I think he is not taking this course. Yeah. Uh, Tomorrow we are going to discuss about 11G and 12C differences. And after that, we will enter into what is SQL, what is PLSQL, how to install the database. Everything we will discuss. That's all for today. See you tomorrow. Thank you, all of you. Okay. You should contact Durgasoft online training at the rate durgasoft.com. Please contact online training at the rate durgasoft.com. You will get the information. That's all for today. Thank you, all of you.